Show you guys something. I just want to show you guys something. This is why we ask for our jars back. Um, when we gift out food or jellies or jams, whatever we do for people, I've literally had people just throw the jars away when they were done, and this is why we ask for them back. Look at these prices. And this is October 30th. This is a couple of days before the government shut down. It would be a month. Okay, this is Amazon. Let me go to Walmart. Okay, there's ball jars. Now I want to tell you something before I get started. They used to be $11 for 12 ball jars, and I think it was 14, 12, or 13, it was 13 or something for quarts. They're different between pints and quarts. Watch this. 16.44, 15.14. It's $2.08 for one jar. You can see that. $2.08 for one jar. Look at this. 14.47, 11.98. But you have to look at the count. Make sure, okay, 12 pack, 6 pack. They're shortening up the packs and they're hiking up the prices and shortening up the packs. These ones don't look too bad for 12. $15 for 12, $12 for $15. But they're high. And this is why we like to get our jars back, everybody. If you can, when someone gifts you like this, wash the jar and give it back to them. We would appreciate it. God bless you.